This is fun and so controllable. So hello guys, how are you doing? We are sitting in the new Cupra Formentor VZ5, first of all as the BAT Edition. That means black wheels, chromed out badges inside and outside, and we also have some additional stuff by Abt Sportsline. You can see it by that start-stop button here. We have the Power Kit S, some nice details inside as those bigger, let's say, flappy pedals in here. Power S means that you have 450 HP and 530 Newton meters of torque, and of course we want to find out how fast the car goes on winter tires, unfortunately, but of course it's January, it's winter time, and see how fast it goes. 100 to 200, maybe also later on, depending on the weather, see a launch on the country road. And yeah, without further talking, I would say you know this car, you want to hear sound, a Krapovic exhaust in the back, which might even get some additional horsepower, but you want to hear sound and see acceleration, so just start it off. So let's launch this VZ5 BAT Edition into a nice sunset. Let's see what the numbers are on those winter tires here. Quite impressive. 3.8 seconds, and the handling is also very nice. Of course the tires are not perfectly grippy in the winter conditions, but yeah, nevertheless that corner is quite amazing in that car. Let's head out onto the Autobahn, see what the numbers are. 100 to 200. Yeah, glazing sun. First run, let's see how fast we can get it. 100 to 200. I think the stock car without Abt was around 11 seconds, a bit more than 11 seconds, 100 to 200. Another run with manual shifting this time, because I think that might be even quicker. Let's see if that works out. Around 9.7 seconds again, wasn't really faster. I think the other car in the summer conditions with summer tires, we managed to do even a 9.2, 9.4. something like that with the upped power kit. But of course, yeah, that was due to better conditions. The very cold air, of course, has a big resistance because we have -1, -2, -3 degrees Celsius, and of course also the winter tires will cost you a few tenths. So yeah, 9.7 is a very good number. That is about a second and a half quicker than the stock car that we have tested more or less in the same conditions with winter tires. So that means yeah, very good upgrade that you can significantly feel. And of course also the Krapovic exhaust in the back is just amazing. Yeah, very positive about the up power kit this time on the 5-cylinder. I've said that before because that really works well in this package.